Okay, mumeze mute? Today I'm going to show you how to open an email without using a phone number. Let's follow the process. I think you will open an email without phone number. If you want to start an email, let's click the following step. Okay, you can wait. Okay, you can wait the process. You can wait the process. See. Okay, after reaching here, click here, create account. After clicking create account, don't click for myself, click for manage business account. Put the first name of your business. Let's call it Munyemana Aimable. Click next. Click March 25 1992. Gender not ladder said. Then click next. Here you can choose the email you want. Let's click the first one. Click next. You can put the password here in this email. Let's keep password. Confirm password. Then click next. I think your account has been created without using a phone number. Your account has been created without using a phone number. So comment like my page is pro. Ask more. I will show you another video showing how to do that. Okay, subscribe.